How are you? Kanina ka pa?
Isang oras na. Basta ako dumating.
Say hi, I'm filming you, B. Tara na. Yeah, I'm up in Brooklyn, now down in Trebek. Wait, pupunta dito si Mel, so we gotta stay here. Di ka manong ka?
Huh? Puro ba yan?
Video.
Video?
Yeah. Hi doggies! This is yours?
Yes.
What's the breed?
Husky mixed with Arctic Wolf.
What?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
I bought them.
How much?
Oh, like 2,000.
Each?
Yeah.
Damn, where? Hi. Indiana?
Yeah.
What are they called?
This is Caesar. This is Nina.
Hi Caesar. No, I mean what breed?
Oh, Husky mixed with Arctic Wood.
That's-
Arctic Wolf. Yeah.
Just say it like that.
Yeah, just like that. Hey, Nina. Nina, wait.
How old is this one? Hi.
2 years.
Are you filming? Are they filming you?
Nah, she was taking pictures of me.
No, why is there like a big camera here?
Oh, you're filming.
I'm filming, yeah.
Just put it down. Yeah.
Put it down.
Oh, look at this dog, yo, he's so nice.
Keep taking them.
Yeah, take more pictures.
Yay! This is a guy. Does he shed a lot? Hey, doggy.
Nina. Nina, come here. Come here, Nina.
Cuddling.
Nina.
Hindi ka pa ba nagsasawa? Times Square pa more! Uy, gago.
Hi, dogs. Hi.
How are you? Are you alone?
Yeah, I'm alone. Wait.
I love the red soup. The red chili paste.